Here comes the Super Chief led by 464, number 3460, coming into Union Station. It'll be coming in on track 8. It's a 9-car train headed west. It's headed for Paradigm. Headed down that way through Paradigm. When it gets up to this set of switches here, it's going to cross over to the westbound track. There's some engines I'm working on. I think that one on the wall there's got a bad decoder. Close this blind. It seems to be affecting the camera. There it is going on the main line. I'm going to shut the camera. There it is on the main line, going west. Heading for Michelson Junction, which is sort of models Ottawa Junction. Paradigm sort of models Holiday, Morris, Kansas area. Remember, that is a 30-year-old Con-Cor 464. The double crossings there, those are Atlas crossings, and they're mated up with the Picos. There'll be a building that's going to go in here. This is just stuff I had, but I've got a building that's a little closer to what the actual building was. We'll be putting it there. Comes the train. It's now approaching West Helix. And I'm not going to bore you with watching it go down the Helix, so I'll turn it off for now. Trip down the Helix, here it comes out. It's coming into the reversing section, which is right in here in front of me. And then it's going to come around and go into the lower staging area. There's my NC power cabinets being used as a Pro Cat with this cable. I actually cleaned up this area down here. We are just below Michelson Junction up there. There's one of the tortoises I may put back in there or may not. I don't know. All right. If everything goes well, it'll go through track 2. This is staging yard B. It has a total of 10 tracks. And then it's going to go around to staging yard A, which then gives me the ability to bring it back to the west helix, or it could go to the east helix. But since it was a westbound train, the concept is to be able to go back to the west helix and then go eastbound from there. So it's going to go all the way down there and around over to the other side. Sorry about all the stuff in the way, but that's where everything is for right now. And then it'll come back up to this point, cross over, go into this ready, what I call it, the west ready yard, ready tracks west. There's some circus train stuff. And it'll come on this inside track, which is track 1, which I have powered right here. And then it'll go on that track over there, and that goes up from through the west helix to return going eastbound. So we'll take a short break and be back when train is back over in there. Those 2 turnouts where it's approaching now are controlled by tortoises, because there's no way to get at them. I tried to use manual blue point turnouts. I just couldn't get them to function right. However, those 2 right in this area were controlled here by blue points right here. And here's some indicators for which tracks are powered by the turnouts. And this is the one of the panels for the tortoises that are over there. Sorry, I'm spinning. There's turnouts on this end. They're controlled, they're numbered here 151 and 150. They're controlled by these 2 blue points, and the indicators are here. So this track and that track are good. Hopefully we'll get through all the turnouts okay. And we didn't. Gotta work on that one a little bit. But now it's going back up the west helix. And once it's out of sight, we'll turn off and we'll catch it up again when it's going eastbound on the main level. And that's it for this. And here it comes. It's now the eastbound Super Chief coming out of west helix, headed for Michelson Junction. is going through the junction. So the concept is for just needing one set of equipment for each of the trains, because the way the staging is set up down below, I can go in either west or east with the same train. So, and there it is on the other side. Here it comes through Paradigm. Coming by the Morris feedlot, which is going to be over in this area. There's another engine that needs probably a little lubrication. I got to back up to my controller. I'm going to slow it down a bit. Here it is coming into Union Station, track 8. I haven't really decided yet on what building I'm going to use for the station. That's one I built when I was going to do Dearborn Station years ago. And there you go. That is a complete run on this ATSF Paradigm division. And it doesn't mean it's complete by any means, but I mean, you can see I still got a lot of track work left, but I can run trains all the way around the layout, up and down. Took a lot of cleaning to get those helixes right, but it is working. So thanks for watching, and I do appreciate all my subscribers. I've hit 400 plus this weekend, so thank you very much.